This is a verbal classification question. You are given 3 words that all belong together for one hidden reason. Below them are 5 more words. Your goal is to find the one word that belongs with the 3, and to know exactly why it belongs before you choose it. Every one of those is a way of moving, so "it's a way of moving" cannot be the answer. It lets everything in. The description is too vague, so go back to the 3 words and find more. Look again. Trudge, plod, hobble. All 3 are done on 2 feet, standing up. Ways of moving on 2 feet, upright. Crawl is on hands and knees, out. 4 left, more. All 3 are slow. Slow ways of walking. Sprint is running flat out, out. 3 left, amble, lumber, wander. 3 still standing, so we are still missing something. Back to the words one more time. Trudge, plod, hobble. None of them is easy. Every one is hard work, heavy, tiring, or painful. Slow walking that is hard work. Amble is slow, but it is relaxed, a pleasant stroll, out. Wander is slow, but it is aimless, not laborious, out. Lumber, slow, heavy, awkward, hard work.